Idioms today.
Idioms.
If you have your mind set on it, you can always turn the situation around. She missed the party because she was feeling under the weather. His latest novel grew out of a brief encounter with a deer hunter. My family used to eat dinner together, but now we are too busy. Stick around a little longer. His plan goes against the grain with her because she doesn't like cheating. An eclipse takes place every few years. He'll be better off with a new job. You have no business staying here without my permission. If you back out, you'll have to pay a fine. In addition to flowers, I am also allergic to chicken. I'll answer for my mother. I checked out of the hotel at noon. Peter learned Spanish little by little. He introduced me to the main aspects of this profession. You can't beat anything good into his head. Can you come over for dinner on Friday? The child was bundled up in warm clothes. The teacher always carps at my translation from French. He brought out a picture of his girlfriend.
Goof off. English, phrasal verbs. Goof off.
A tradução mais direta em português é:
ficar à toa, vadiar, relaxar.
Exemplos.
Too many students are goofing off. Sullivan's off to spend some quality time goofing off. You know the three of us would just goof off the whole time. The teachers let us goof off in class and do whatever we wanted. When the guy is goofing off, he's fun and charming. They were pretty shocked that they were given the day to goof off. I remembered the time that Jonathan and I were goofing off at the mall. He and I used to goof off around the apartments and shoot hoops together. The master is away, and we want to goof off for a while without getting caught. It miffed us that the goof-offs hardly ever got fired. She didn't tolerate goof-offs and encouraged talent, creativity. I know I've been a goof-off in the past, but you really mean a lot to me. Ryan, Meg assessed, was caring, compassionate, and a bit of a goof.
Let's learn natural English.
Wadaya say we leave early. Wadaya think of this idea. Wadaya wanna do first. Where ya going now? Where ya planning to stay? Where ya from originally? There you go, that looks better. There you go, you got it. There you go, you got it. Here you go, your notebook. Here you go, I found it. Here you go, this should help. How'd I solve that so fast? How'd I get here before me? How'd I know the answer? Why'd I leave so early today? Why'd I choose that option? Why'd I stop in the middle? When'd I get back home? When'd I start learning English? When'd I notice the change? Who'd I invite to dinner? Who'd I talk to earlier? Who'd I ask for help?
Slangs.
Can I crash at your place tonight after the party? He crashed on the couch while watching television. We're hanging out at my crib tonight, if you want to join. His crib overlooks the beach and has an amazing view. They invited everyone back to their crib after the concert. That speech was so awkward that everyone felt cringe. Watching old videos of myself makes me cringe sometimes. His fake accent during the interview was pure cringe. What's going on, cuz? I haven't seen you in forever. Thanks for helping me fix the car, cuz. Cuz, you really need to hear this new song. That's my dog right there, we've been friends for years. Yo dog, are you coming to the game tonight? My dog always knows how to make me laugh. The house was completely decked out for Christmas. He arrived decked out in an expensive designer suit. The restaurant was decked out with colorful lights and flowers. I really dig the style of your new apartment.